Did you see it?
Hey, thumb the thumb. Hey, grip the shit out of it.
Okay, maybe not.
You too scared? You don't want to do it?
No.
You sure?
Wait, one.
Just one gun, one shot.
How about
Hold it.
you help her hold it?
I don't know.
I don't know.
I might be able to. Just hold it tight, babe. Hold it tight.
Okay.
I go. Go, just shoot.
But hold it good, okay?
Lean forward, just shoot it. Hold it super tight and lean
Hold
forward,
it
babe.
good.
Don't lean back. Lean forward a little bit.
Oh, wrong way.
Oh, is it?
Yeah.
Babe, stop.
Yeah.
Wrong way. There you go. Sorry, babe. Alright, ready?
Hold it tight, stay there. No. You might want to cross that over that one. Hold it, like grip your hand. Yeah, hold it good.
Like this?
Yeah.
Don't put your finger on the trigger yet, babe.
I know. Like
Take it off the trigger.
Let me see. Like I would hold it like that, yeah. Like that, like two thumbs like that, and then hold it like that. Cause you hold it like this, so hold it like around this one too, and then the thumb just holding the other thumb too, and then do your trigger finger.
That shit is scary.
Hold it good tight. Aim in the middle of the target.
I'm not gonna lie, my hand is shaking.
Lean forward. What are you doing?
Lean forward, babe. Put your weight forward. Oh, she shot the bottle.
That's it. There's one.
That's it,
You gonna
baby.
do another one?
What bottle?
You shot the middle bottle.
Oh, wow.
You want another one?
One bullet? Oh, damn.
You want another one?
No.
No more?
This is crazy.
We got a lot of bullets. You can look. We got 50.
I'm nervous.
You see how strong. Hey, you, man.
It's scared.
I swear.